Hey yo, it's me, it's your boy Asmongold. Let's have a look at another crypto game. Well, not another one. This one's an old one. SunflowerLand. They just released the token. You are able to withdraw it now. So let's have a look at what has happened and how to withdraw the token. So first of all, changes. The map changed a little bit. As you can see, no more bank. And we have a new thing open, which is the Goblin Land Village something. Now, to get into the Goblin Land, where you will be withdrawing your tokens from your hard-earned farming activity, you have to save it. You have to save you have to sync the game on the blockchain so that you don't lose any of the shit that you made in the meantime. So, I'm gonna do that. If you don't do this, you can still go there, but you'll get robbed. They literally tell you you'll get robbed. We'll look at it in a moment. But yeah, if you did some farming, earned some tokens, earned some carrots or whatever, you'll get mugged, bruv. So, come on. So you want to visit Goblin Village. Goblin Village offers rare items and on-chain gameplay. If you transact with a greedy goblin, be careful. They will steal your NEFS, resources and crops that are not synced. Blah blah blah. So sync him. I haven't been here yet. This is my first time visiting. So let's see what we got here. So this is the bank, right? Yeah. You can withdraw the tokens here. The items that you have synced on the blockchain. Blah blah blah. I'll do that later. Farmer. What is this boy? So you can buy shit. Oh, so you have to buy these from in here now. Yeah, not the main game. You got the tailor in here as well for some flags. No one cares. You add liquidity here, I think. Yeah, to the liquidity pool. Oh, and the crafting. Oh wait, this crafting is in here. Okay, so for some rare items, you have to come in here to craft it. Other than that, not much to do. Big boy chilling there. You got a tree, you got some more trees, you got a lake. Okay, so that's about it. So basically, if you want to add liquidity or buy some other items like sunflower tombstone, yeah, you got to come here. But what everyone wants is to withdraw their tokens. Now let's have a look at the token, right? So here's the token. This is the address. They have it in their Discord as well, so probably you should join that. So it came out yesterday, 8 hours ago or how many, and as we can see, it started from 2 cents less, went up all the way to $2, and then obviously this is where they released that you can actually withdraw and sell your token, and added some liquidity, and of course everyone literally sold because that's what they've been waiting for. I don't think everyone is done yet. People are probably still gonna sell, people who haven't woken up yet or gotten a chance to play the game. So probably gonna go even lower, and then once all of that shit is done in like a few days, you're gonna see some actual, you know, price reacting to people playing and so on. Because if we look at the last time when they had SFF token, where people discovered the game right over here, shut the fuck up, and you know, it pumped up. Everyone started playing, went up all the way to fucking $6 and shit, 5, and then obviously in a few days dumped down because of whatever the fuck happened. I don't know. So right now the token starts out directly with people dumping it because that's what they've been waiting to do this whole ass time. Let's see. The liquidity is, I don't know how to check liquidity on this shit, bro. I have no clue how much liquidity is. 100k? Anyway. Oh yeah, probably could check it, you know, here. Wow. Damn. Look at this shit, boy. Alright. So, yeah. What the fuck is this? This ain't right. Wait, what? This isn't the token, is it? No, it's not. Okay, this is just weird. Okay, so that's a scam. Don't do that. Alright, so as currently I don't have any SFL in my wallet, I'll just withdraw a little bit to see how it is and what it do. So, how to deposit. I don't want to deposit, bro. I want to withdraw. Yes. Yes. So I want to withdraw, let's say 60. Right? To choose amount to be withdrawn. You can withdraw blah blah blah. Wait for, oh yeah, because there's a 25 fee. So how to withdraw blah blah blah. No bro, tell me about the fee, man. Why is there sure. Oh, okay, so the fee system. The more tokens you wish to withdraw, the lower the fee. So yeah, less than 1,000, it's 20%. Okay, so anyway, you'll be paying around 20 to 25% because that's how it be. So I would lose 15 tokens, which at the current price, like $4, 5. Wait, that's a lot of dollars. Anyway, I'm still should I withdraw 100? Alright, let's go for 100. Let's see if the fees are astronomical again. Oh, they're not. Neat. Alright, so pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Let's see if it all works out, and that's basically how to get the tokens out and then sell them for your cryptocurrency of choice. Alright, well, while this goes on, I'm gonna go fucking get high, bro. Fuck this. Alright, so your items tokens have been sent to my wallet. You can view your items on OpenSea. No thanks, I have a bunch of weird shit there. Alright, now let's check, oh, there he is. So, all worked out. I can sell it for 32 Matic, which I probably will because I don't have any fucking Matic in this wallet. And I kinda need it. But that's basically it. That is how you withdraw from SunflowerLand. Now let's go back. And oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's that. I don't like that. In the meantime, let me swap. The price is still going down. Matic fees not so bad. Come on, bro. All right, do that. Let's farm. Work. It works. So if you have a look at the little boy here and the FFFLFSX PVs, the token supply, it's 9.5 mil almost, and at 10 there's the other happening again, which means you'll pay half price to buy the seeds, but you'll also be getting half less the rewards. And you know, that's the economic shit of the token, which we're gonna see if it's gonna work out in the long run or not. All seems to be working fine. You can withdraw the token, you can sell it, you can have your Matic and whatnot, and that's about it. That's about it. That's pretty much it. What events do we have? So on 4th, yeah. On 30th, there's gonna be rareable and level 3 rare items or some shit. And there was something else, but I don't know what. So I'm not gonna think about it. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I don't fucking know why I make these videos.